Hi friends, I just wanted to get on and show you around this interactive PDF. So this is what it looks like when I open it up. It might look a little funny. So what you're going to want to do is your screen might look a little different, but see if you can find the zoom in and zoom out. It's going to look like a plus and a minus sign. So I'm going to zoom out of this. So I'm only seeing one rectangle at a time, okay? So that should make it a little bit easier. So as I go through this, I'm going to click the arrows. So here's my directions. I'm going to say next, and I'm going to get started. My first slide says, what rhymes with fan? Is it van or fin? I'm going to say van. So I know I got it correct. I have a thumbs up. I'm going to hit my next arrow. It's really important that you click the arrows and the pictures. You don't want to try to scroll down or anything because then it's going to go out of order and it's going to look really funny. So I'm at my next one. It says, what rhymes with bed, bib, or red? So I'm going to pretend like I'm going to get this one wrong. I'm going to say bib. So if you get it wrong, it's okay. It just says try again. Click the green arrow to go back, and then you're going to click the right answer. Red bed. Those rhyme. I know I got it right. So I can go to the next one. Okay, so to use these again, it's really important. Make sure you kind of play with these to zoom in, zoom out. So you're only seeing one rectangle at a time. That's going to make it a lot easier. And make sure you are only clicking the pictures and the arrows. Otherwise, it's going to go out of order and it's going to look really funny. So pictures and arrows. Okay, I hope that was helpful.